Hi friends, good evening guys. Sorry for the delay. So there was a little bit connectivity issues. Guys, let me know, am I audible? Okay. Hi Amini, good evening. Amulya Shri, good evening. So there was a connectivity issue guys. So there was a delay of it. Okay. So guys, let's start with our discussions then. I think yesterday we have discussed it till 16th question, right? Was that the correct one? So I think we have to start with the 17th. Can any of you let us know? Okay, so I think 17th question we have to discuss, I hope. So look at the 17th question guys. So let me know the answer. Again, same thing will apply. Choose all the correct options. Okay. So start from here. Okay, so yes. So now I'm receiving your messages guys. So Yamini says B and C. Amulyashree also says B and C. What about others, guys? So 17th one. So Yamini and Amulya says B and C. Okay, so chalo then we will discuss. See, now what they are saying is, which of the following information is inter alia required to be included in the auditor's responsibility section in the auditor's report. Matlab, which information is required to be included? Okay, so this is what they are asking, guys. Okay, yeah, good evening, Ratna Kumari. Okay, so we are discussing 17th one. Okay, so what matters to be included in the auditor's responsibility paragraph, right? So this is what we have to know. Now the thing is, let's look at the things what they are saying. Option A, they are saying statement that preparation of financial statements as per the applicable FRF is the responsibility of the management. Tell me, guys, whether we will include this statement in auditor's responsibility para. Answer is no. Where do we include this? We will include this in management's responsibility para. I hope it's clear. So option A is not the correct one. Okay, then option B, objectives of the auditor. Now understand this, guys. Objectives of the auditor, yes, we will include in the auditor's responsibility paragraph. Okay, I hope it is clear. Then option C, statement that reasonable assurance is a high level of assurance but is not a guarantee that audit is conducted in accordance with. SAS will always detect a material misstatement when it exists. Absolutely yes, this also we will include. I hope it is clear, because see, in audit never ever we give 100% assurance. Absolute assurance is not at all possible in audit. What is possible? Only reasonable assurance. Okay, so what is reasonable assurance? Everybody knows reasonable assurance means it's a high level of assurance but not 100% assurance, right? So this is what you have to consider. I hope it is clear. 2% assurance, right? So this is what you have to consider. I hope it is clear. So B and C definitely we will include in auditor's responsibility paragraph. Now let's look at the D. Statement about auditor being independent as per relevant ethical requirements. Okay, see, we are independent. This is not included in auditor's responsibility paragraph. Please understand, being independent is mandatory. Okay, being independent is mandatory. And if you remember this statement, where do we include? We will include in basis for opinion paragraph normally. Okay, so option D is not the right. So what is the correct option, sir? B and C, like many of you have said it rightly. Okay, I hope it is clear, guys. Yes, Ratna Kumari, because of inherent limitations of audit, correct. Okay, okay, so those who have done with the 17th question, guys, let me uh, show you the 18th one. So look at the 18th question, guys. Okay, so look at this. Okay, so guys, are you listening to me? Is it audible? There is little bit connectivity issue, guys. I'm just checking it out. Okay, so Ratna Kumari says 18th is A, B and C. Okay, okay, done. Yeah. What about others, guys? Hi Harsh, good evening. Amulya says A, C and D. Okay. What about others? 18th one. Okay, so let's start discussing that, guys. So what is 18th question? Which of the following aspects are required to be included in the basis for opinion section in the auditor's report? Okay, so which of the following aspects are required to be in? First there will be a title, then there will be addressing, then after this opinion paragraph, then you will have basis for opinion paragraph, right? Now what will be included in this paragraph? So that is what you have to know. Okay, so what all included in this? Now understand here. First option, they say statement that audit was conducted in accordance with standards on auditing. Yes, we will include this statement. Yes or no? In fact, this will be our first statement. Okay, second one, they are saying that statement that financial statements have been audited. Whether we will include this in basis for opinion paragraph, guys? Answer is no. Where we will include? We will include this statement in the opinion paragraph. If you remember our discussion, I said opinion paragraph is actually having two things: introduction paragraph and also the real opinion paragraph. So option B is actually covered in the opinion paragraph. Okay, so understand this particular things very clearly. So B is not going to get covered, so B is not there. Then option C, now look at this statement that auditor is independent of the entity in accordance with the relevant ethical requirements relating to audit. Yes, so that's what I said in the previous question also. This we will include in the basis for opinion paragraph, not in auditor's responsibility paragraph. Okay, then option D says statement whether auditor believes that audit evidence the auditor has obtained is sufficient and appropriate to provide a basis for the auditor's opinion. Yes, we will include this also in the basis for opinion paragraph. So what is the answer for 18th question, guys? For 18th question, answer is what? A, C and D. Okay, A, C and D. So Amulya has given the correct answer. Okay, okay, everyone? Okay, so chalo, then let's move on to the 19th question, guys. Okay, I think some connectivity issues, I think, Harsha. I'm also talking. Have you not heard my explanations? So question I have read it.